for question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. So we are having 4 parts in the question. We are going to start with the first one. In the first one, we have to construct quadrilateral MORE, in which MO is equal to 6 cm, OR is equal to 4.5 cm, angle M is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree, and angle R is equal to 105 degree. We are having. First of all, we are going to draw the rough sketch. So suppose this is the figure having as MORE. Now MO is equal to 6 cm, OR is equal to 4.5 cm, angle M, this one is equal to 60 degree, angle O is equal to 105 degree, and angle R is also equal to the 105 degree we are having. So this is the rough sketch having. I'm going to construct this one like this because this is the 105. So this is the rough sketch we are having. Now we are going to construct the quadrilateral. For that one, first of all, we are going to draw the base, the line segment MO is equal to the 6 cm. This is MO we are having as 6 cm. Now we are going to draw the angle of 60 degree at the point M and 105 degree at the point O. Now we are going to construct this one. For the 60 degree, we can construct this one with the help of compass and with the help of D. So I am going to construct this one with the help of D. Suppose this is the this one is the 60 degree. This is the 60 degree we are having. Now the angle O, this one is 105 degree we are having. We are going to construct this one with the help of D. We can't construct 105 with the help of the compass. We can construct 60 degree. So this is the angle of 105 degree we are having. Now we are going to take 4.5 centimeter on the compass and O as the center. We are going to put an arc. Suppose this is the arc we are having. So from here to here we are having as the 4.5 centimeter. So this will be the point R. Now we are going to construct the angle R. We are having 105. So we are going to construct 105 degree angle at the point of R here. So this will be the angle R we are having. Now we are going to extend this one and join it. So this is the MORE we are having. Now we are going to write the steps of construction. So we will write here steps of construction. So first of all, we are going to draw line segment 6 centimeter MO. Then we are going to draw the angle M is equal to the 60 degree and angle O is equal to the 105 degree. Now we are going to draw an arc 4.5 centimeter, O as center. The intersecting point will be point R. Now draw angle R is equal to the 105 degree as R center. Join M, E and RE. So this will be the required quadrilateral MORE we will have. This is the part 1. Now comes to the part 2. In the part 2 we are having quadrilateral PLAN. In this one PL is equal to 4 cm, LA is equal to 6.5 cm, angle P is equal to 90 degree, angle A is equal to 110 and angle N is equal to 85 degree we are having. So first of all, I am going to draw the rough sketch. So we are going to draw this one. This is the PLAN. Now PL is equal to 4 centimeter, LA is equal to 6.5 centimeter, angle P, this one is equal to the 90 degree, angle A, this one is equal to the 110, and the next one is the angle M we are having as the 85 degree. Now this is the rough sketch of the part 2 we are having. First of all, we are going to find the angle L. So I am going to write here, to find angle L. We are going to find the angle L. Now the sum of a quadrilateral is 360 we are having. So we are going to write here 360 minus, we are going to subtract 90 plus 85 plus 110. We are going to add 3 of them and then going to subtract this one from 360. So we are going to get the angle L is equal to 75 degree we are having. First of all, we are going to draw the line segment PL is equal to 4 centimeter. This is the PL is equal to the 4 centimeter we are having. This is the PL. Now we are going to construct the angle P as the 90 degree. We can draw with the help of compass or D. Suppose this is the 90 degree angle we are having. Now this is the angle P. Now we have to draw the angle L as equal to the 75 degree. So we are going to construct as the center L the angle of 75 degree. Now this one we are having as the 75 degree. Now we are having PL is equal to the 4 and LA is equal to 6.5 degree. So the A point will be somewhere here and this will be the N, PLAN. Now we are going to take 6.5 centimeter on the compass and we are going to L as the center, going to draw an arc on the line segment LA. So this will be the point A. Now we are going to construct the angle 110 at the point A here. So suppose this is the angle 110 degree we are having. Now I am going to extend this one here. So this will be the angle of the 85 degree. So this is the required quadrilateral PLAN we are having. Now we are going to write the steps of construction. So I am going to write here, first of all, steps of construction. So in the first step we are going to draw PL is equal to the 4 centimeter. Now we are going to draw angle P is equal to the 90 degree and angle L is equal to the 75 degree. Now draw an arc is equal to the 6.5 centimeter, point L as center. So the intersecting point will be point A, this one. Now draw angle A is equal to the 110 degree, this one. Now we are going to join PN and AL. So this will be the required quadrilateral PLAN we will have. This is the part 2. Now comes to the part 3. In the part 3 we are having parallelogram HEAR. In this one H is equal to 5 centimeter, EA is equal to 6 centimeter, angle R is equal to the 85 degree we are having. So I am going to construct first of all the rough sketch. So I am going to write here HEAR. So HE is equal to the 5 centimeter, EA is equal to the 6 centimeter and angle R is equal to the 85 degree we are having. Now we are going to construct this one. First of all, we know that in the parallelogram opposite sides are equal. That means this one is the 5, then this one will be the 5 centimeter, this one is the 6, then this one is also the 6 centimeter. Now we know that in the parallelogram opposite angles are equal. So this one is the 85, then this one will be the 85 also. Now we are going to find the angle H first. So I'm going to write here angle H is equal to the 180 degree minus 85. Why I am subtracting this one from 180 degree? Because the sum of adjacent angle in the parallelogram is 180 degree. I'm going to write here sum of adjacent angles in parallelogram are 180 degree. So we are going to subtract this one. Then 180 minus 85 we are having as the 95 degree. Now we are going to construct the figure, the parallelogram HEAR. First of all, we are going to take HE, this one, as equal to the 5 centimeter. Now I am going to draw the angle H as 95 degree. So we are going to draw this one with the help of D. This one will be the angle of 95 degree. Now the angle E is 85 degree. So we are going to construct the angle 85 degree at the point E. So this is the 85 degree we are having. Now this one we are having as the 6 centimeter. So we are going to take 6 centimeter on the compass and E as the center we are going to draw an arc. So this is the arc. So this will be the point A. Now this one is also 6 centimeter. So we are going to take 6 centimeter on the compass and H as the center we are going to draw an arc. So this will be the point R. Now we are going to join these two points together. So this will be the HEAR we are having. This is the 6 centimeter. This one is also 6 centimeter and this one is the 5 centimeter we are having. Now we are going to write the steps of construction. So I'm going to write here. First of all, we are going to draw HE is equal to the 5 centimeter. Now draw angle H is equal to the 95 degree and angle E is equal to the 85 degree. Now we are going to draw an arc from point E as 6 centimeter and H as center 6 centimeter. So I am going to write here draw arcs, not an arc. Draw arcs from point E as 6 centimeter and H as center 6 centimeter. Now we are going to join the intersecting points R and A. We are going to join both of them. So this will be the required parallelogram HEAR we are having. This is the part 3 we are having. Now comes to the part 4. In the part 4 we are having rectangle OKAY. In this one OK is equal to 7 centimeter and KA is equal to the 5 centimeter we are having. So first of all we are going to draw the rough sketch. So in the rectangle this will be the rough sketch. This is the OKAY. Now OK is equal to the 7 centimeter and KA is equal to the 5 centimeter we are having. Now we know that in the rectangle all the angles are equal to the 90 degree we are having. So first of all we are going to draw the line segment OK as equal to the 7 centimeter. Now we are going to draw the angle of 90 degree at the point O and K. We can draw this one with the help of compass and D both. Suppose these are the two angles we are Now we are going to take 5 centimeter measurement on the compass and K as the center, we are going to draw an arc. Similarly, O as the center and 5 centimeter measure on the compass, we are going to draw an arc. Now, intersecting point, we are going to join them. So this will be the OKAY rectangle. This is the 5 centimeter, this is the 7 centimeter, and this one will be the 5 centimeter. Now we are going to write the steps of construction. So I'm going to write here steps of construction. First of all, draw OK is equal to the 7 centimeter. Now we are going to draw angle O and angle K is equal to the 90 degree. Now draw an arc of 5 centimeter, K as center. I am going to write here draw arcs. We are going to draw 2 arcs and O as center of 5 centimeter. Now we are going to join intersecting points Y and A. So this will be the required rectangle OKAY. So this is the part 4. With this one we have completed the exercise 4.3. In the next video we are going to start with the exercise 4.4.